and welcome to this episode of Elite Sports Physical Therapy's Sports Medicine Minute. Today we're going to start out our stretching series to make sure you're getting proper technique while trying to perform flexibility exercises. We see a lot of people doing these exercises incorrectly, so they may not be getting maximal benefit, or they might be actually causing more harm to the injured area.
For our first episode, we are going to be reviewing the hamstring stretch. This is a very important muscle to stretch because it does get tight from sitting. Whether it's commuting, sitting at a computer, watching TV, we as a society sit too much. The result is muscles tightening up, affecting posture and alignment.
When the hamstrings are too tight, they can have impact on the low back. We often see people come in with low back pain with very poor hamstring weight. With hamstrings, we see these people do it quite often. What you see here is excessive rounding of the back. If you're moving at the back, you're not really stretching the hamstring. So if you're going to stretch the hamstring in this position, you need to keep your back straight, contract the abs, and keep your back straight and pivot from the hip. Some people do this stretch standing up at a park bench before a run, or even at a gym at the plyo box. The same principles apply. Keep your core tight, your back straight, and pivot at the hip. For those who have back pain and need be a little more careful, you can safely do the same stretch lying on your back. You can reach for the back of your knee, lift up, and stretch your hamstrings. If you're too tight and you can't reach the back of the knee, you can use a strap around the foot or ankle to assist. This stretch should primarily be felt in the hamstring. If you feel the outside of your knee or the calf, that is a sign of nerve tension. Your hamstring ends at the knee joint, so you should stretch out and should not feel it below the knee. If this happens, bend the knee slightly, put some slack on the nerve. Now you should feel the stretch in the hamstring. One more final tip for those who have really tight hamstrings. If you're feeling some pressure in the back, the opposite leg should be lying straight. But if you need to, you can bend the other leg and place the foot flat on the floor or table. Hope these tips help you understand how to properly stretch your hamstrings. Next video we'll share some tips on how to stretch the quads. If you want to find out more about Elite Sports Physical Therapy and our services, check out www.espt-ca.com. Thanks for watching.